Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a video where I'm going to unbox and review an INIU Powerbank that INIU have sent me for review purposes. Just full disclosure, this was sent to me as a review sample and I will be putting it through its paces whilst travelling to New York City over the next few days. So, let's have a look at the packaging. This is an INIU Powerbank. Exact model number is P64-E1, and it's a 140 watt power bank with power delivery standard, and its declared storage is 25,000 milliamp hours. So that is a chunky power bank if there ever was one. Now, INIU's branding, or their motto, is beyond safe and beyond fast. So let's see what the to infinity and beyond takes us. So I'm going to peel off this packaging. It's a cardboard peel strip, similar to other packaging we've seen with minimal plastic. A few little extra details here saying scan with this with the Amazon shopping app for a surprise. I'll look at that later. And then if we pull the cardboard tab out of the inside of the box, if that works. No, it doesn't. I'm not doing very well with the packaging today. Here we go. Nope, it's ripping. That was a bit of a failure. Start at the top. This is a struggle. The struggle is real. Here we go. We've got something has come out, and if I pull that, we'll get the full cardboard internals to the box. Right, this must be the power bank. It's heavy and covered in a little plastic bag. Let's see what else is in the box. We have a cable. In this case, you can see this is a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, so that's good. We have a user manual, which I'm sure we'll read later, and a little card giving us details to the support for INIU. Good to see. And last but not least, we also have a bag, a carry bag. Now, we've seen these in the past. This is an INIU carry bag. Honestly, I'm not really sure if this is there to protect the power bank or whatever else is in your bag, because it's nice and cushioned, and from my experience, especially having felt the heft of this one, INIU power banks are really well put together. It's one of those things that even before I've taken the plastic bag off, I can tell just by the fact that there is minimal, if any, flex in this relatively rigid plastic casing for the power bank. Now here we are. This is a 25,000 milliamp hour power bank, and one of the key features here is it has a display on the top which is multifunctional. Usually you're lucky to get anything similar to a proper digital display, but this one has multiple parts you can see. So what I'm going to do now is take the cable that came with the INIU power bank, and we're going to plug in a few devices to see how they perform. So as you can see at the top here, there's one USB Type-C port for in and out, and that's the port that can deliver up to 140 watts. Now just stop and think about that for a moment. That is almost 10 times what some smartphone brands call fast charging. There's also a second USB Type-C port, which is only for output, and that outputs at 45 watts. And there is a USB Type-A port, which outputs at 18 watts. So quite an interesting thing. And also interestingly, you get little indicators saying that the USB Type-C port and the USB Type-A port together can output up to 24 watts. So that full matrix of what the power bank can input and output with any combination of the three ports is captured on the back here. But the key thing here is that you can have a maximum output of 140 watts if you're using just the one USB Type-C 1 port, and you have a compatible cable, and you have a compatible device that can take that load. Anyway, as I said, I'm going to take the INIU cable, which does have a little bit of detailing here saying INIU on it, which is good, a little bit of extra branding. I'm going to plug that into the power bank, and I'm going to take my Google Pixel 8a and see if it registers as a power delivery fast charging power bank. And yes, you can see it says it's charging rapidly. Now that I've plugged it in, you actually get a little bit more insight into what this screen tells you. Now obviously here you have, in the middle is the total power, with the in green, total power in the power bank, so it's 58%, and it's currently outputting. That means that the current output to the Google Pixel 8a, it can charge for 10 hours or 12 hours, depending on how much it's doing. And at the moment, it's only outputting via USB Type-C 1. So that's the one we were looking at with at the top here, USB Type-C 1, at 6.5 watts. So it's not actually fast charging, but as far as the Google Pixel 8a is concerned, it is. Now, I don't have the, at the moment, I don't have the time to go through a full test here. Before I do that though, I do want to leave this on charge overnight and then start testing it whilst I'm traveling. So I will do that over the next few days and then get back to you with my full review. Who knows, I might even record that review from New York City. Anyway, for now, I will leave you to whatever comes up in the break. If it's an ad, please do watch it. By doing so, you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks, just like you'd be supporting us by subscribing to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and fashion, anything we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, I shall leave you to it and speak to you soon.
Okay then, I'm back, and it's actually been a bit longer than originally planned. I've actually been using this INIU Powerbank for a couple of months now. And in the meantime, I have been in correspondence with INIU. We also have another review powerbank, which I'll be covering in the next month or so. But with regards to this really fast charging powerbank, both to charge the powerbank itself and to charge your devices, I'm very happy with it. So you'll notice that I have changed my pronunciation of the brand name. It's not INIU, as I was saying earlier in the video. The people at INIU have told me that it's pronounced INIU. So who knew? INIU. Anyway, INIU is, as we said, a company that makes this powerbank. They sent it to me for review, and I've been using it whilst traveling not only to the US, but to Italy, and for my commutes in and out of town. I even spent an afternoon using it at the pub whilst having something to eat. So overall, I'm very happy with this. Using the Baseus and Essiger cables that we've already covered here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, I can confirm that you can get over 100 watts of output from this power bank, provided you have the appropriate cable and device at the right charge level and the right temperature. So just bear that in mind. It's not just the power bank that does the fast charging up to 140 watts from that USB Type-C 1 port. You also have to have an appropriate cable, which if it's a power delivery one should be sufficient. And you also have to have a device that can take that level of charge. But provided you have all three things, you should be good. I personally have seen my Xiaomi 14T Pro, my Honor Magic 7 Pro, my Google Pixel 9 Pro XL all charge at high speeds. And most typically with a 50% charge on the Xiaomi 14T Pro, I was easily getting 70 to 80 watt charging on there. I've also used this to top up my MacBook Air. Yes, you heard that right. I can use the INIU Powerbank to charge my laptop as well as my phone. Now, obviously it's best to do that with just that USB-C 1 port, but it does work to charge both your phone and your laptop from this device. So as far as a travel power bank that you can use whilst traveling and not have to worry about running out of battery, this INIU power bank is definitely one I can recommend. Now, as I said earlier in the video, this is a review device sent to Tech Travel Geeks for review. I'm very happy with it and I will carry on using it. Just as we've been sent the power bank for review, we've also been given some links to the INIU website, to where you can purchase this power bank from. And whilst I'm at it, I'll also link to where you can purchase it from Amazon. Now, those are affiliate links, so if you do purchase from there, you will be supporting Tech Travel Geeks by making your purchase there, but we didn't receive any payment for actually producing this video. We were just sent the review device. So, as you've seen, if you've been a long-term Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel watcher, we've reviewed quite a few INIU products, and I've been happy with it even before we had a direct relationship with it. So trust us, these are power banks we can recommend, and if you made it this far into this video, thank you for watching. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. For now, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments section. Bye!